Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about loops in Ruby. As you might guess, loops is a mechanism that runs a block of code more than one time. Here, I have written a program that demonstrates loop in Ruby. We have first initialized a variable x is equal to 0. Then we have this loop keyword and then this do keyword. So this is the keywords that you have to remember: loop, do. Then you have to put all the code that you want to execute over and over again, and after that you type end. So this is a simple program: loop, do, statements and end. Now here we are incrementing x by 1. If you are not familiar with these little programming techniques, I will recommend you to check our course on C and C++ programming, where we have cleared almost every technique that will be handy in learning any new programming language. Now this break keyword is a very special keyword that breaks the loop, which says break the loop if x is greater than 10. So this is a control over our loop. The loop will break at x is greater than 10. Otherwise, the loop will go on and it will never stop. So it will become an infinite loop if we don't have any control over it. So using break, we have made a control on the loop that says if x goes greater than 10, we have to just break it. And then next statement, it puts x. That means print x on the screen and end. So all it does is it increase x by 1, check if x is greater than 10 or not, and if it is greater than 10, then it will break it. Otherwise, it will print the x on the screen. Pretty easy. So let's go to the command prompt and we will execute our program test.rb. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So this was because of this looping statement. In the very next tutorial, we will be learning about while loop.